XRP's daily symmetrical triangle has gone bust. It appears that we've broken to the downside. However, all is not lost just yet. Because if you're looking at the grand picture on XRP, the structure is still intact. And XRP BTC is also sitting at its key bounce level. And this is that same bounce level where XRP USD actually had its bull runs. Once in 2014, once in 2017, once in 2021, and well, we're there once again today. And if you notice the gains on those rallies, in 2014, XRP rallied a good 760%. In 2017, XRP saw an unbelievable move, pumping 62,000%. In 2021, when XRP was rife with FUD, SEC was after their necks, it still pumped 1,100%. And well, here we are today at that very same bounce level, red box territory. Now, if you're wondering why did XRP dump right here, well, let's be honest. If we really have to assess the entire crypto market in these few days of the meltdown, it was not just XRP that melted down, it was several other coins that did so as well, including Bitcoin. However, a lot of people attributed XRP's fall to the SEC appeal. Now, while this did drive fear, uncertainty, and doubt, it was nothing like what we saw in 2021. And think about it, we still pumped a good 1,100% that bull market. So what is this about? Well, while XRP isn't considered a security when sold to retail investors, the SEC appealed because they considered XRP an unregistered security offering if sold to institutional investors. Additionally, XRP's penalty is reduced by a good 94%. The original penalty was $2 billion and now gone down to $125 million. So things are still looking much better for XRP than it did in the last cycle. But the most positive news of them all that got completely washed out was this. And believe it or not, it came in as the same day of the appeal. Bitwise Asset Management, an issuer of ETFs tracking Bitcoin and Ether, submitted a registration filing for what would be the first XRP ETF. So yes, while we did see this meltdown, things aren't looking all that grim on the fundamental aspect of things. But to make profitable decisions on XRP, you gotta let price be the arbitrator of all debate. That was one of the lines that Sean gave me in the very beginning of my trading journey, and that's one of the lines that stuck with me even today. Now, the last time we spoke about XRP, we were at this candle right here, right? It looked like an official breakout, and I told you the next bid opportunities to gun for is going to be at these wick highs right here. Now, this is a quick lesson for you guys actually trading out there, especially on the daily time frames or even some of the lower time frames. It's always going to pay to be patient, because let's just say you even caught the bid right here. Okay, what happened? Prices sold off, but we came back up for an official test, allowing you to get out of your trade at a minimal loss or even at break even. Remember, trading is a game of probabilities, not certainties. You always got to have your invalidation. So when I give you guys the bid, I'm saying that's a good bid to manage, because in case we break those levels, you can get out very easily, because chances are prices come back up to give it another test. Not just that, we did speak about a cascading pattern play that was bullish patterns within bullish patterns. We still have this one more bullish pattern on the weekly time frame, a falling channel still playing out on XRP's chart. So this is still within its range, once again still intact. But now question is, where would you go about bidding XRP from here? For those of you who are trading on the shorter time frames, for that, go ahead and turn on the Mango Lifeline indicator. This is what's going to give you those good trade opportunities. In fact, if you follow the Lifeline, you guys probably got a better bid than the one that I gave you in the previous video. Yes, while that bid was easy to manage, this one pretty much got you the bid on the money, like right on the money. I don't think this buy opportunity ever changed. You can see that it hit the target, it got rejected off the target, and then melted down to 52 cents, which was the original buy opportunity on the weekly time frame. Okay, so that is the next bid. Your invalidation comes in at 38 cents. Now guys, your invalidation being at 38 cents is essentially telling you that if you are taking a position right here, you should not be getting margin called or even liquidated throughout this entire range right here. You got to give yourself this much buffer to sit through the trade. Okay, if you are getting margin called or liquidated within this range, you're over positioned. So now the invalidation point for XRP comes in at around 38 cents. The buy op comes in at around 52 cents. Now, is there anything else pointing to a potential bounce right here for XRP? Yeah, there is one more thing. The Mango dashboard. Get into the dashboard app.mangoresearch.co. Check out the trend and volatility profile. Now, the 12-hour actually flipped short 6.5 days ago. If you managed to catch that call, you either got out of your long position or even you took a short position, you're up on that trade by a good 11.77%. But now, as far as the volatility is concerned, 65, 89, it's pretty high up there. Now, usually when I see this, I often look at this as, okay, this might be a juncture where the bears might get exhausted. And when the bears get exhausted, this is a good time for the bulls to actually take over. So this might be a juncture where the bears might be getting exhausted. So all eyes on the volatility profile. As soon as this 4 hour starts flipping long, make sure you have your alerts set on XRP if you are trading it aggressively. Okay, if this starts flipping long, you're going to get an email telling you that, okay, the trend has flipped long. That's when I'll be looking for a cascading play. I want to see that trend cascade on over to the 12-hour time frame, on over to the daily time frame. All right, and that's going to give me more confidence in XRP actually wanting to reverse from here. Well, I believe that altcoin season might actually be around the corner based on historic data and how things have usually played out around this time period. I actually break down my thoughts under the premium video section right here, telling you why I think that altcoin season might actually be right around the corner. So if you guys haven't already watched that, go ahead and do so. And also, if you're jumping into premium, make sure to use the coupon code BDAY2024 to grab the birthday discount. You can use it on the dashboard and all the courses and indicators, including the lifeline. Now, if we do see a reversal right here and prices get back up to that first target at around 66 cents, as it did right here when we last spoke about XRP, believe it or not, the picture will look much, much better this time around than that time around, because we would be breaking this pattern to the upside. Okay, I want to see multiple closes of this pattern to the upside. If we start doing that, that's an official break of the pattern, and at that point, the next measured move only comes in at $1.08, which is a good 74% on that move. Now, for those of you actually looking to trade XRP, I've been trying out this new exchange called BitUnix. It's been a fantastic experience so far. No mandatory KYC for now, so you can go ahead and check it out if you're on a hunt for a good exchange to trade XRP on. And if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to $5,500 in bonuses. Now, some of you have been asking me, hey Krisha, is your target to $23 still intact? Do you still think that is a probable target for XRP? Considering that we still have the bull run ahead of us, contingent on no war escalating or breaking out, the $23 target is still probable. Even if this falling channel actually breaks to the upside and takes XRP all the way up to $1.10, that too would be an activation of that massive symmetrical triangle formation, to which the target does point up to $23. So yes, for as long as XRP remains within its structure, we go on to put in these higher lows on the chart, the bulls still have a fighting chance. A break of this pattern to the upside is going to activate the pattern, target to which is $23. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like. If you want me to cover any other altcoin, make sure to mention in the comments section below, and do not forget to check out the entire thesis on why I believe that the altcoin season is right around the corner. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.